No. We just played.
Get ready to start doing that.
I'm recording.
Before the race, they were trying to give us early.
The funny thing is it's not a race anymore. They like somebody bought some land on the course that they used to race on, and so now they just go out there and tool around, which I think everybody seems to enjoy a lot more. I think
so maybe you can go race Helican, John, and then invite you back.
Maybe we broke their goals. Like it, we can't get any sleep.
Hey, look at that. Look at that. Don't knock it over. That's good.
Home is a place I never had belonging. Hearts were things I didn't want to belong to. Cause what's the point in belonging when you can't stay? And when the sun comes up I'm not so alone. When you find my hand and you're holding on. When you ask me how to feel, it's a beautiful tone. Don't wanna be alone, I wanna hear your beautiful tone. Calling all my heroes, help me to get it right this time. I've been on my own, calling all my enemies, one's locked up inside of me this time. Hear your beautiful tone, your beautiful tone. Ancient songs and melodies have sung about this for centuries, but I don't know if I understand a thing. And then you wake me up with the things you say, and I remember all the ways I can run away. I'm trying to keep my feet still, that's how I pray. Don't wanna be alone, I wanna hear your beautiful tone. Calling all my heroes, help me to get it right this time. I've been on my own, calling all my enemies, the ones locked up inside of me this time. Hear your beautiful tone, your beautiful. Gotta get closer and break till the finish. Makeshift, baby, won't make any difference. Gotta get closer and break till the finish. Calling all my heroes, help me to get it right this time. I've been on my own, calling all my enemies, the ones locked up inside of me this time. Hear your beautiful tone, your beautiful tone. Gotta get closer and break till the finish on a beautiful, beautiful tone. Thanks, everybody. That's the title track to the new album that's coming out in June. And I just want to say really quick, because I got really blown away yesterday that I started a pledge campaign, pledgemusic.com. And it's like Kickstarter, but it's a little bit different. They also offer for artists a pre-order thing where if you already have your record and you have other things you need to pay for, the promise is already kept because you've made your album. So people have been pre-ordering my album for $10 a download, and they get it the first day, like before anyone in any store or anything. And in 2.5 weeks, we've raised over $17,000. That's amazing to me. I talked to the pledge people when we started, and I'll just, keep it short, but I want to thank Scott and Nikki for encouraging me. One night here, I told the story about how I've really raised a lot of money for the Grace Foundation of Texas, which I started for young adult survivors of homelessness. And so I I was really scared to death to try to raise money for my own thing, for my own music, and we've raised about $250,000 for young adult survivors of homelessness. But I'm so passionate about that, and I've asked so much that I was terrified to raise money for my art. And in the first 2.5 weeks, raising today 58% of my minimum goal, which is $30,000. Yesterday I was literally jumping up and down in a driveway in Houston, Texas when I got the news. So I just want to thank everyone that has pledged and tell you that I feel so supported right now, and I want to share that with you guys too, because we're all artists and we all do this for a living, and it's truly amazing and heart-opening when people do that for you, especially when you've been around as long as I have. So thank you.
We love you.